Love 2017 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.